Do you want to create talking head videos just like this one? Recently, the majority of Shorts creators and YouTube channels have been using animations just like these. And the best part is, it's super easy. Without wasting any time, let's get started right away. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to never miss an upload. The first thing we need to do is head over to studio.neiro.ai and create an account. This website allows you to generate realistic talking head animations and voiceovers. Next, write a compelling script using good grammar, spelling, and punctuation to ensure the highest quality product is generated, and then paste it into the video script box. You can then select language, emotion, voice, and head model. Make sure to select Switch to Green Screen so we can put our talking head on any background in the editing process. Press Generate Video and wait for it to be created. Press Download and drag it into CapCut. In CapCut, go to the Cutout tab, select Chroma Key, Color Picker, and then the Green Screen setting. Next, increase strength and shadow until you think it looks right. To get an even more compelling result, go over to Google and type in YouTuber bedroom background and find one that you like. Drag this into CapCut underneath the talking head. Add some effects, and you're done. This also works for short-form videos. If you navigate to the ratio button and select 9:16, this is the correct ratio for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to that AI guy for more AI tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.